Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HONOR Magic6 Pro, and let me share with you how to clear credentials on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll in order to find security and privacy. Then let's scroll down to localize more security and privacy settings and tap on encryption and credentials. At the bottom we've got the option we're looking for, so let's simply tap on it and tap on delete. And we should have the information that we successfully removed credentials, but as you can see in this device we do not have any kind of info, but that's okay. For sure we just successfully removed credentials. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.